When you capitalize initial letters in Excel, this will definitely make your work more presentable. But the question remains, how do we capitalize first word in Excel cells when there is a mix of small and capital letters? So in this video, I will show you two methods on how to do it without doing it manually. Before I show you the two methods on how to capitalize your initial letters in Excel, let me first of all introduce my data to you. As you can see here in this column of country, I have some countries here, but the letters of the countries are mixed up. As you can see, the first country, I have all the small letters in this one, combination of small letters and capital letters. The others also, I have also here, as you can see, Solomon Islands, I have capital letters inside these letters. So the first method is using the flash fill tool to capitalize the initial letters. So what I'm going to do in this method, I'm just going to give the flash fill tool a pattern, then it will recognize the others. So I come on this cell, I just now capitalize the initial letter. The first country is Tuvalu, I just give it. So I write here Tuvalu, capitalize that letter, then the others are small, like that, Tuvalu. Then I click enter. When I start now writing the other Grinda, let's see whether it will recognize. As you can see, guys, it has automatically recognized my initial letters are capitalized. Then I click here on enter. So that's the method number one, how you can use flash fill tool to capitalize your initial letters. And the best thing of using this flash fill tool is that you don't do your work manually. Like maybe I type here on Tuvalu, I capitalize, then I come on the second cell, I do the same. So it saves you a lot of time. So the second method is using proper function to capitalize your initial letters in Excel. So to do that, you just enter the formula. Let me bring my on-screen keyboard, which is here. So we just click here on the equal sign, then we type on proper. So as you can see, it is here. Double click it. The text that we are going to enter is this one, the original text here. So click on that, then close the bracket. Let's close the bracket using the on-screen keyboard, like that. Then click on enter. So as you can see, our country, which is Tuvalu, is capitalized. Now, to make the other countries capitalized, just hold your mouse here, then double click it like that. As you can see now, the other countries are also now capitalized. So the best thing of using the proper function is that when we change or we do some amendments here on our original data, it will automatically change here because we have applied some function. Let's do it. For example, I can add some data here on Tuvalu. Maybe I can add must, maybe like that, space, then I enter. As you can see, it has recognized that and it has changed. Let's do another one, maybe here on Solomon Islands. Maybe I can add maybe new, like that. I enter. As you can see, it has recognized. Say now you want now to have the values only without the formulas. As you can see, when you check on the formula bar, as you can see, this formula is shown here. So if you don't want that, you can also have the values only. You just select your capitalized words, then click your mouse, click here on copy, then click here on the first cell, then click your mouse again. Now to paste, don't click on paste direct, paste on values. As you can see here on values, click here on values. As you can see now, we have now the values only, the words only. There is no formula applied. So those are the two methods you can use to capitalize initial letters in Excel. So for this method of using flash fill tool, I have made a detailed video on that. You can check the link in the video description where you run 6 different ways on how you can use flash fill tool. So that's all I have in this video. And if you found the video useful, kindly remember to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my easy but informative digestible tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.